So here we are on this boat. Okay, maybe this is now what we are trying to get more laughs to my videos. Or that's what I hear on my feedback.
Yes.
Can you tell more about it, Nina?
Yes, more laughs.
More laughs.
Yeah.
Do you have something to say? So, I've had some feedback that my content could be used as a sleeping pill.
Yes.
And recently, Nina here said that I sound like I'm trying. What was exactly? What did you say?
Very boring.
No, you said that I sound like I want to kill myself.
Yes.
But I don't know yet how I'm gonna do it or something like that. That was it, right?
Yes.
Harsh, that's harsh, but yeah, I'm fully aware of that my sound is very monotone and I speak too neutrally, I guess, on these videos, and that's been my challenge, how to make these videos more interesting and maybe get some playfulness on these videos. He was ready. He was ready. He was so ready to swim, was he? Miten se mamma sut sinne heitti veteen?
2 kertaa. Tuli hauskaa.
Give me some interview, devil. Go ahead. Go ahead. Tell how you feel.
Vittu kun on kylmässä. Vituttaa. Perkele. Saunaan perkele.
This is good content. One of my friends says, or a couple of my friends said that I should make Finnish rappio content. I should become a rappio YouTuber. That there's so much content that I could provide being a rappio YouTuber. And that means, what is the English word for that? Degenerate. I have to check that. Decadence was the word. Decadence. Rappio. Content. Decadence. Content. That I could make good content if I just show my decadence side of me. I mean, yeah, I have stories. I have many stories. How could I say it? I just end up in situations where no one else ends up in. And that would make a great content. I know that, but that's not really what I want to be doing with this channel. But I'm sure people would enjoy that more than my monotone voice. Do I really sound like I want to kill myself? That's really harsh.
What?
Do I really sound like I want to kill myself, Nina?
Yes. Yes.
But I'm still considering how to do that.
Hanging yourself or dog bite.
Maybe he can eat me alive.
Syö se. Syö. Syö Toni. Eat him.
Maybe he licks my tattoo wound now and I die to the
Sepsis.
blood. Yeah, sepsis. Blood poisoning. Ah, that's harsh. That's so harsh. But I respect honest opinions. So thank you for that. Thank you for your honesty, Nina. How are we going to make my content more interesting and more funny or more playful, and how I'm going to sound more excited. Nina said that I have to sound like I'm excited about what I'm talking about then.
About life. Excited about life.
Excited about life? Okay. Yeah, I don't want to kill myself. I don't want to sound like I want to kill myself. So yeah, I'm trying to improve on that now. Hopefully this video is more excited. Hopefully I sound more exciting now. Or excited about life.
Mitä se kuulostaa innostuneelta? Sä oot silleen jee. Ja oot semmonen woo! Niin. Se on idea.
So Nina says that I should be like, yeah, this is fun.
Yes.
Let's go. Like every other YouTuber out there. So unique.
YouTuber.
So unique YouTuber. Somehow this Finnish rally accent comes out with the other Finnish people. Mika Häkkinen, Kimi Räikkönen, Go Finland. Perkele!
Kippis.
Kippis. Ikuinen vappu ja perkele.
Onko ihan hyvää konsaa?
Perkele.
Olemme joidenkin rannassa. Vihaisia katseita tulee.
I just broke this thing. Now I can't put this. Now I can't put this anymore to my beard or anywhere. That's not good. Okay, maybe this is it. Do we have anything else to say now? I guess not. So this was day 12 of 30 days of YouTube challenge, and see you next day. Now I should figure out some good closing phrase here to make it more funny or something.
Sähkömoottorilla ajo kielletty.
Sähkömoottorilla ajo kielletty.